guys, I'm going to show you how to do the vending machine. Push the substitute bag to get the static vending. So you get your food and it has to be this kind of vending. So, and you click on the one you want. So let's say I want to click. Let's just wait till these guys go. So we'll make all the comments. Whatever. Okay. When this thing comes up,
Do it.
see that door. And you just hold it.
Throw the freaking.
And it just gave me $2 extra, and I can buy another one. And what the fuck you guys want? So shut the fuck up. Let's say, come. And you guys just get both. And brought to you by fried chicken.
Right.
And it's like this, it's like I get it.